ground is cold and slippery.
Move slowly.
The forest season tells a new story. Wait, these footprints aren't ours.
They are fresh.
Hunter?
No, something else.
Did you hear that? Someone's out there!
Stay behind me. Help! The ice is breaking! Hold my trunk.
Careful! The ice is thin!
Got it.
You can do it!
Thank you. I thought I would fall through.
You are safe now. Welcome to the winter forest.
We've never seen you before. Who are you? My name is Bao.
You are far from home, Bao. Yes, very far.
Where did you come from?
From a bamboo forest beyond the high mountains. It was green, warm, full of life.
Then why did it stop growing?
Food became scarce. My family moved south. And you?
I stayed too long, hoping it would return.
Hope can be strong.
But winter can be stronger.
I crossed icy rivers, empty valleys.
Silently scared?
Every night. Yet you kept walking.
Because stopping meant freezing. I didn't know where I was going.
Now you do. You found us.
Do you think I can stay? Yes.
No one should face winter alone.
Winter nights are colder than they look.
I'm used to cold, but not this silence. Silence is not emptiness. It is peace.
Now you can hear snow whisper.
Watch this! Wow!
Spread your weight. Move slowly.
Like this? Winter rewards patience.
Listen.
That doesn't sound like wind. That sounds like shifting snow. Is it dangerous?
It could be.
Let's see who can jump farther. I might slip.
We move together. Take my trunk if needed.
Yay, you did it!
Teamwork keeps us safe. A snowstorm is coming. We must find shelter.
But we were just having fun.
I don't mind shelter. Anywhere safe.
Follow me. Step carefully. This hollow will protect us.
It's cozy.
Feel safe.
See? We're a good team.
Together, nothing can stop us.
Fire makes everything feel warmer.
And brighter. Rest now. Tomorrow we explore more of the forest.
With friends, every forest feels like home. Let's see what's beyond the hill.
Everything looks magical in snow. The forest is alive, even in winter.
Adventure awaits!
Fresh tracks. Someone is near.
Do you think it's another panda? Or maybe something dangerous?
We will find out together. Bamboo, I can smell it.
You found your forest.
A sign of hope.
I can stay here.
Sweet and warm.
Your favorite food.
This place welcomes you.
New home, new home. Maybe our home.
A home built with friends. These are not animal tracks.
Hunter? He followed me. Hide here! I don't want to lose this home.
We protect it together. Huh? Snow battle begins.
Make it bigger, bigger! Maybe not too big. You are ice dancing! I did not plan this spin! Mini elephant!
My ears are too small.
Snow swallowed me!
We rescue Fluffy Hero! Best winter day! Best bamboo ever! Best friends forever!
Oh no, my cart is stuck again.
Team push!
I push slowly. Together, now.
Thank you, my friend. Snack reward, please.
Come warm up in my barn.
Warm place, yes.
Like warm, friend. Thank you, friend.
One more carrot. Okay, last one.
You said last 5 times.
Too many carrots.
Rest, little friend. Rest well, my friends.
Best farmman.
Warm, safe. Gratitude brings peaceful sleep.
No more carrots.
Visit again, my friends.
We will. Thank you for warmth.
Kindness grows like bamboo.
That barn was cozy. Warm like bamboo hugs.
Kindness travels with us.
Shortcut. Slowly.
Let's make a snow bridge.
Team build. We did it!
Safe crossing.
Together is always stronger.
Slide hill.
Looks tall.
It's fun. Let's go.
Okay, but be careful.
Go, go, go! Woo! Again! Maybe smaller hill.
Snow feels magical. Winter is beautiful.
Every season teaches something.
What's over there?
New place?
Another adventure begins.
Big mountain adventure. Looks very tall.
Step by step, friends. Easy climb.
Not easy for Panda.
I help. Oh.
Hello? Hello?
Mountain Mountain Peaks back. Mountain Peaks back.
La 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 la! La 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 la! Ooh, ah! Ooh, ah!
Too windy.
Stay close.
Safe.
Thank you, big friend.
Storms always pass.
Rainbow Mountain.
Hope after hardship.
Ice Castle.
Magic. Wow, it's so sparkly.
Look.
Giant Panda Angel!
We climbed so far. Together?
Many mountains still ahead.
Look, a glowing hole. It's shining.
Shall we explore?
It's like glass. Cold, but beautiful.
Stay close together.
Drawings! They look old.
Stories frozen in time.
It's almost time!
Patience, little one,
But I can't wait. It's going to be amazing!
and it will be worth the wait.
You're right!
Don't look down!
Too late. Slow steps.
It's beautiful. It's alive.
The mountain's heart. A fox, hello?
It's not scary.
Friend of the mountain?
Where is it going? Deeper.
Stay close.
Lights under the ice.
Fish sleeping.
Life waits for spring. It feels warm. My heart feels brave.
The mountain blesses friendship.
Echo! Oh, it scared me. We go back! We go back!
Secret door! Secret door! I found it! It's opening! I found it!
Beautiful, like a dream.
Best snow garden ever. Can we picnic here?
Stay close!
We help! Icebergs on the hurricane!
I can't move.
Big snow dumpling!
Hey! Help me out!
The mountain is breaking!
We must go down now!